In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change domain name in systeme.io. By the end, you'll know exactly how to swap an old domain for a new one and what to look out for, so everything connects smoothly. Before we start, it helps to have access to your systeme.io account and to the company where you purchased your domain, often called your domain registrar. First, log into your system.io account. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure everything looks normal and that you're in the correct workspace. If you've been switching accounts, a quick refresh or using a private browser window can help avoid cached pages. Next, head to Settings, then choose Domains. This is where you'll see any domains currently linked to your Systeme.io funnels and pages, along with their connection status. Take a moment to confirm which domain is active and note any labels or status indicators because they'll help you verify that your changes stick later. Now, locate your current domain and click Delete or Remove. This action detaches the old domain from your Systeme.io site. You'll likely see a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully. Deleting the old domain means any live links using that address will stop working, so it's best to make this change during a low traffic time. If the platform asks for a reason or shows a checklist, follow it to complete the removal. After the old domain is removed, click Add Domain. In the field provided, type your new domain name. Enter it exactly as you want it to appear, typically without HTTP or HTTPS. If you're connecting a subdomain such as pages.yourdomain.com, include the subdomain so systeme.io knows the exact address to connect. At this point, follow the instructions on screen to update your DNS records at your domain registrar. DNS is the system that tells the internet where your domain should point. Systeme.io will show you the specific records to add, often a sname record and sometimes an A record. Open your registrar in a new tab, find the DNS or DNS management section and add the records exactly as provided. Double check the host names, values, and record types and save your changes. The default TTL is usually fine. After saving, return to systeme.io's domains page. Connection can take a little time to propagate, sometimes a few minutes and occasionally longer. If you see a pending status, wait and refresh periodically until it shows as connected. That's it. You logged in, went to settings and domains, removed the old domain, added the new one, and followed the DNS instructions at your registrar. Once connected, your new domain will be live in systeme.io.